Hey, what's going on, guys? John Erickson here, coming to you live from Los Angeles, California. A couple of details: I'm 6 foot and I'm fully vaccinated. Done a bunch of hosting work, entertainment, social media, specifically real estate, also adventure tourism and travel. I can't believe the pandemonium we just witnessed back there. Oh, look, here comes the man himself.
Woo!
Rowday, tell us, what exactly just took place?
Rowdy, do you see any sweat, Nick?
No, not a drop. And that explains a lot. Coming to you live with Rowday, I'm Mick Ruby. Back to you. And what a matchup we have here today, folks. Coming into the second round, Frank the Tank has a little bit of blood coming from under his right eye, when Billy the Butcher has just been pounding on him all throughout round one. Let's see what happens. Despite his accident proneness, do we still have to declare him a sex symbol? Thankfully, I still have my national membership to the sorority of beer, which means buddies encouraging each other to drink more rapidly. Thank you, sir. May I have another? Thank you, sir. May I have another? Eddie fever strikes again as Eddie and Shawnee find themselves stranded on an island looking for help. Help wanted, huh? Well, hopefully for you two, you love sunsets and long walks on the beach and holding hands. It's not the clothes you wear. It's not what you drink.
Hey, is that Pepsi?
Yeah. Or is it?